Hey everybody, welcome to my season 2, episode 2 review of Tejina Senpai, also known as a Magical Senpai here in America, and this is my second episode review. It's quickly becoming one of my most favorite animes of this season. It just has such character and heart, and it's great. I love it, and I want you guys to love it too. So I'm going to be doing a kind of format mix-up. At the beginning of my reviews, I'm going to try to play the intro, kind of get you familiarized with it. So here we go. Yeah, it was pretty good, so I'm just going to hop right into it and get into my review. Okay, so we're going to do a new layer here, and I'm going to write up here, make sure everybody knows, episode 2. And just right off the bat, the quietness, of course, is on point. The cuteness, as they say. This is, of course, my 3 Ness system: cuteness, wholeness, and coolness. And the cuteness factor is high as always. We're looking at a solid 8. The Sugoi coolness is on point as well. I'm gonna give this a solid 6. There's a cool scene where the main character does a cool trick with like a puppet stuffed animal, and he makes it like crawl up his arm, and it looks real. I have never quite seen anything like it, so I'm gonna give it a 6. But on the whole, it wasn't quite as exciting as the first episode, so it is a little lower. But the trouble really comes at wholesomeness. This is where it gets a little upsetting to me. Is that I thought this was going to be on a more wholesome side of anime, but it appears that at least in the beginning that this is there's some explicit things going on here in this anime. In this episode in particular, we get a shot of the girl's breast, and that is just a little much for me, to be honest with you. I can't watch this with my son, my young son. Not at this age, at least. I don't feel comfortable, and there's numerous other things in the episode I don't want to speak about, but I'm gonna have to give this a 3. Quite low, unfortunately. Now, my total score is determined as a aggregate of all 3 scores, and so we have to do a little math. So we're gonna average them. So first, we're gonna do 8 plus 6 plus 3. So what we do here is we do 6 plus 3 first. So that is gonna give us 9 ones. But then when we add this to 8, you see that we're one of the 8, part of the 8 is going to tip us over into a 10 spot. So we're going to write a 1. So we can kind of subtract 1 from the 8. This turns into a 10. So this becomes a 7. And then we add the 7 to the 10 that is there now. So we get a 17. Now, if we now divide 17 divided by 3, it's almost It's almost a 6. It's almost a 6. So I'm just gonna give it a 6. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the review, and I'll see you guys next time for episode 3, and on any other cool videos I like. Show it to the friends, and if you like, please subscribe. Thanks. See ya.